Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in this video today, I decided to decorate a vignette outdoors. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is part of a collaboration with the Heaven's Pearls. So we have Tablescapes by Candy, Creations by Simone, Debbie Bubbles, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. Now let me tell you real quick where these items came from. So that white scarf that you see draped over that thrifted tablecloth, that came from the Dollar Tree. The cylinder vase did come from the Dollar Tree, and I decorated it with embellishment that I purchased in the crafter section. Now the runner that's over the chair, that was a gifted item. Those black beads that you see, that came from Dollar General. Okay, now let's get started with the word. So, therefore, just as sin entered the world through one man, the death through sin, and in this way death came to all people because all sinned. Romans 5:12. The effects of the fall are numerous and far-reaching. Sin has affected every aspect of our being. It has affected our lives on earth and our eternal destiny. Now, one of the immediate effects of the fall was that mankind was separated from God. In the Garden of Eden, Adam and Eve had perfect communion and fellowship with God. When they rebelled against him, that fellowship was broken. They became aware of their sin and were ashamed before him, and they hid from him. Genesis 3:8 through 10. And man had been hiding from God ever since. Only through Christ can that fellowship be restored, because in him we are made as righteous and sinless in God's eyes as Adam and Eve were before they sinned. God made him who had no sin to be sin for us, so that in him we might become the righteousness of God. Amen. That's 2 Corinthians 5:21. Amen. Okay, now a couple of other things I just added to this vignette. So a napkin fold, which is really one of the fat quarters from the Dollar Tree, and a napkin ring. Then we lit a candle, and that coaster came from the Dollar Tree. I think it's time to head on over to the reveal, and also there's a gold trinket box, bee theme, perfect. Let's head on over there. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank all of the ladies from the Heaven's Pearls for hosting this collaboration, and I am so honored to be part of it. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.